Hi guys, this is the ABI Ambleside. This is the top end single unit that they do. Very popular is the Ambleside. I'll take you inside to have a nosy around. So this is the single unit. This is the 13-foot wide ABI. Very popular. And every year they just keep upgrading and just little refining touches that make it even more special than the year before. As soon as we get here, you're presented with a hallway, which is absolutely ideal if you've got pets. So you can come in from a walk in winter time, close the doors off, dry down your pet here without trailing it onto the carpet, all that mud and whatnot. And to the right, it brings you to the second bedroom. So you have a TV mounted there. Good amount of storage and the two single beds. Your next room on, facing you as you come in, is your master bedroom. It's got a large king size bed. This wall does have extra support, so if you wanted to mount the TV on the wall there, you'd be more than welcome to. So this master bedroom does actually have an ensuite as well. So got a nice amount of storage. This bed actually does lift off as well for the Ottoman style storage underneath. Now I'll take you through this door. This brings us to the living / kitchen area. It's a very open plan. You're fully kitted out. You've got your dishwasher there. Got eye level oven and microwave as well. I must say the finish in this one is incredible. Got that real special feel about it as soon as you walk in. If it's a beautiful day like today, most of your time I imagine will be spent out here. Very generous decking area. It's just an absolute incredible day today. Absolutely beautiful. So this has been the ABI Ambleside. If you do need any more information about this, please just ask and I'll be happy to answer any questions the best that I can. Wow. It's a truly beautiful day. I look forward to speaking to you all soon. Thank you very much for watching this. Goodbye.